Today I decided to turn my leftovers into this, what I call bourbon chicken. So here are my leftovers. I had leftover everything. There's the chicken. I made it in the air fryer. It's just chicken thighs cut up, some white rice, and what I'm gonna do is just heat up the chicken with the vegetables. There's not that many, but I'll add more veggies on the side later. Now I'm gonna steam them a little bit with some water so I don't have to put oil in the pan. Then I'm getting a bowl and I'm making my sauce. So this is going to be dark soy sauce. This is a 1/4 cup that I'm using for these. And everything is going to be a 1/4 cup or a tablespoon. Then a 1/4 cup of water. 1 bouillon cube. 1 tablespoon of dark molasses. This is optional. You could use honey instead, but this just makes it really good. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You could use white sugar. A little bit of salt and ginger. Just measure with your heart here. I'm also going to add some pepper. Once again, just measure what you think. And for the salt, you really don't need much because there's salt in everything. And then I tried to get a tablespoon of cornstarch, but I am all out. So I was able to get almost a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is what's gonna make your sauce thicken up. Then I added some dry onion. These are just nice to have. And a splash of apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar you have at home. Just a splash. Then just whisk all of that up to incorporate the cornstarch with the sugars, and we're gonna add it to our chicken, and it's gonna cook really fast, so cook it up on medium-low heat. And there's not that much. You can always add a little bit of water, but it still is a really good amount of sauce, so don't get worried if it looks like there's not that much sauce. See? It's so good. My son really loved it, and you'll see that at the end of the video. He's gonna give it a try. So then I learned this trick off TikTok. Put some ice on top of your white rice and put it in the microwave, and it heats it up so good. Just remove any ice that's left and then stir up your rice. It's nice and steamy. This is also optional, but I got these sesame seeds and I'm just going to put them on top. My youngest son loves stuff like this. This just makes his day. Let's see what Junior thinks. Okay. Give the chicken a try.
All right. It's always so good.
You look like it was bad.
Alright, good.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm getting no rice.
Okay. Try and get some rice. You might have to use your other hand.
10 out of 10.
Yay! Give me 5.